Hello, good morning. It's Thursday the 23rd. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So the MPC will, the MPC meeting rather, will end today. The likely outcome is for a slightly more hawkish rhetoric, but no real change to policy. What do you think the vote split will be, though? There looks to be a pretty strong chance we'll see at least some votes in favour of a rate hike. But quite how many, well, at the moment, that's anyone's guess. The economic recovery is certainly strong enough to consider tapering support. But remember, furlough is still in place until the end of this month, and withdrawing that support presents a certain degree of risk. Chances are the majority of the MPC members will want to at least hang on for another month before they vote in favour of any change, especially with the inflationary outlook being what it is right now. I think perhaps we could see a 7-2 vote, and that would still be a significant break from the 9-0 votes that we've become accustomed to. We won't be having a sweepstake on this one. But please do drop your vote predictions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. In the market, sterling lost ground when the dollar cracked on after the Fed meeting ended with a more hawkish outcome. We fell to 136.10, although we recovered a little and we opened this morning around 136.50. The Fed took no firm action to ward off inflation or deflate the growing real estate bubble. Comments following the meeting were strong enough to drive the dollar index through resistance at 90.40, and Powell pretty much confirmed that the end of support is close. He said that the target for inflation had been met, and that the Fed didn't need a stronger employment report in order to act. While he played down the fact that inflation remains or will remain above target for the coming months, he confirmed that there is broad support for the timing and pace of tapering. The supply chain bottlenecks, they've stuck around longer than expected, so the projection is for inflation to remain elevated for a few months more before beginning to pull back. But as always, that comes with a massive disclaimer that upside risk remains. So with that out of the way, the market will look forward to the September employment report. Put that one in your diary. October the 8th. That's the next non-farm Friday, and we're definitely having a sweepstake then. Toodaloo.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.